Hey everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Have you ever wanted to remove a watermark, logo, or unwanted object from your images but didn't know how? Or maybe you tried online tools that left blurry marks or ruined the image quality? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Unwatermark.AI, a powerful platform that can instantly remove watermarks, logos, tags, or even unwanted objects from your images using advanced AI image recognition technology. So make sure to watch till the end because I'll also show you its latest GIF watermark remover and pricing plans. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the video description and create an account, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you can sign in and start removing watermarks for free. On the dashboard, you'll notice several features: Auto Remover Volume 1, Auto Remover Volume 2, Manual Remover, and even GIF watermark removal, which is perfect for animated images. Let's start with Auto Remover Volume 1. Click on the Upload Image button. Unwatermark.AI supports PNG, JPG, WEBP, and BMP formats. Simply drag and drop your image. And once it's uploaded, the AI starts working automatically. As you can see, my watermark has been completely removed. You can click on the Press to Compare button to check the before and after results side by side. Once you're satisfied, click Download to save your clean image. Now let's try Auto Remover Volume 2. This version is even more advanced and accurate. I'll upload another image. This time it has my channel logo at the top left corner. The AI quickly detects and removes it. You can again preview the before and after. The result looks perfectly natural. Next, let's check out the Manual Remover option. Click on Manual Remover, upload your image, and you'll get full control with tools like brush size, zoom in, out, and rectangular selection. I'll use the rectangular tool to highlight the watermark area, then click Remove. And within seconds, the logo is gone. You can again view the before and after comparison easily. Now let's try one more image. I'll upload another photo with a watermark. And once I upload it, it starts processing automatically. As you can see, the watermark is removed cleanly again, and the comparison tool lets you check both versions side by side. Now let's move on to the newly launched GIF watermark removal feature. Just click on it, upload your GIF, and the AI will begin processing automatically. Here you can see my GIF watermark has been completely removed. The platform shows you both the original GIF and the result GIF side by side, so you can compare them easily. That's really impressive, and it works just as fast as the image remover. Along with these, Unwatermark.AI also provides more editing tools like batch watermark removal for multiple images at once, background remover, background blur tool, object remover, and more upcoming AI editing options. So it's truly an all-in-one AI photo editing solution that saves time and delivers professional results. Unwatermark.AI offers flexible and affordable pricing for everyone. If you're just starting out, you can go with the free plan, which gives you 3 free chances for auto removal per day, 30 free chances for manual removal per day, free video and GIF watermark removal previews, 3 free object remover uses daily. If you want more credits, you can upgrade to the subscription plan for only 2 cents, 6 per credit, starting at $62 per year, saving 35% compared to monthly billing. You'll get 200 credits per month, and you can scale up to 1,000 or more credits if needed. For one-time users, there's also a one-time payment plan, starting at $70 for 2,000 credits. No matter what your needs are, Unwatermark.AI has a plan for you, whether you're a casual editor or a professional creator. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechBro for more exciting AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.